G'day folks, welcome back to Shotgun Versus. Today we're going to be looking at a target that is built for security. This is a coin and cash lockbox. It's designed to, well, you've probably seen them at, small shops, flea markets, roadside sales, that sort of thing. It's designed to be sort of a miniature safe so that you can keep your money intact. And it's got a nice powerful lock on the front. Obviously it's nothing compared to an actual safe or a vault, but regardless, it's meant to be tough and hard to get into. So we're going to see if birdshot can punch a hole through this. Well, that looked pretty effective. Let's take a look. So, we hit it pretty square, actually right where the latch is. And the bulk of the shot hit it right here. Broke the latch, and then kept going out the other side. So, yeah, I'm comfortable saying that portable safe doesn't hold a candle to birdshot. I'm getting less and less confident with metal targets.